So, a balance. After 3 years of project, we have seen several things coming up, big developments, big potential. As an end user, the industrial partner of HARCO Project, what do you think is coming up and what will be the future?
Okay, thank you. The question is clear. The HARCO Project is exploitation oriented, from the very beginning of the project. So it has been easy to find from the very beginning an exploitation path for all the modules and components that are characterizing the result of the project. This means, from my point of view, that it has been quite easy to find the exploitation potential of the project result. As far as my specific field is concerned, high-speed milling machine tools, I have to say that 2 out of the several exploitable results of the project, namely the active platform for compensating vibration and the micro-positioning table, are really of huge potential as far as exploitation is concerned. The key for this exploitation is not only hidden behind the specific results of technological result of this component, but also are hidden behind the intrinsic concept of modularity that is characterizing both the platform and the table. The fact that we are able to demonstrate them on a specific machine, of course, shows the applicability to that machine itself. But it is very clear and very easy to demonstrate that these results are easily portable to other machine tools, other size of machine, or other kind of machine within the specific FIDIA portfolio of machine tools, but also outside this project, this HARCO project. So this is, I think, the most important thing concerning exploitation. Modularity as a key for exploitation.
And do you think, from the economic point of view, that the value for money of these technologies, considering several aspects, including the target performances and what we achieve, makes an attractive solution for an industrial end user, or we still need to do a big effort to come to the market with good products at a reasonable price level?
The results I'm working with are coming after quite long R&D process, which took into account also specific business plans for these components and these modules. So we tried, with the support of the whole team, to moderate and keep down the risks related to poor exploitation due to the fact that we have not been able to keep down the cost as required by the market and the application itself. So as far as these components are concerned, huge efforts have been made in order to not to deliver things that are okay in terms of performance, but not exploitable because of their costs. Especially the micro-positioning table, but also the smart platform, are both at a mature level of exploitation and exploitability in terms of cost. The market is, we know that the market is interested in paying a little bit more, and we know how much, in order to get the performance we are promising with this device. Of course, industrialization is something coming after the project. So industrialization is still a step that has to be performed, but with very, very stiff and solid basis coming from the business plans.
And finally, a more general question. You know that HARCO has been funded under the Factory of the Future, that is a public-private partnership initiative. From the private side, how do you feel about the cooperation with the academic research center, other SMEs, and do you think this initiative should be a cornerstone for future work program as well?
My personal point of view on this specific aspect is that in general co-funded research is co-funded. It means that there is always the support of the private part in the financing of such projects. So the public-private partnership program actually went into the direction of clearly give a balance between the public and the private support of a research initiative. And I think that this is the only way to keep industrial research going on in the future. I mean, companies, especially large companies, must be directly involved in financing these research activities, at least 50%, so that it is clear that they are investing in this project in order to get result from them, because this project need the private support, and so the co-financing from the companies themselves.